Overthinking is just trying to control what hasn't happened yet. It believes that by thinking through every possibility, it can somehow prepare for anything. The truth is, overthinking creates problems that don't actually exist. We create scary stories in our minds, and then feel real fear about these imaginary problems. Our minds generate worry about things that may never happen. The anxious mind wants perfect answers in a life that doesn't offer them. This is the core issue. No amount of planning can make the future completely predictable. There will always be things we don't see coming. The harder we try to control everything with our thoughts, the more worried we feel. We exhaust ourselves fighting against the natural unpredictability of life. We can only find peace when we accept that we can't know everything about the future. In order to move forward, you have to trust yourself to handle problems as they come up, and not overthink them before they happen.